Kityvity. Today we will learn about colors.
Color orange.
Color orange.
Color blue.
Color blue.
Color green.
Color green.
Color red.
Color red.
Color yellow.
Color yellow.
Color black.
Color black.
Color white.
Color white.
Color purple.
Color purple.
Color maroon.
Color maroon.
Color pink.
Color pink.
Color sky blue.
Color sky blue.
Color brown.
Color brown.
Color gray.
Color gray.
Let's learn colors in a fun way.
Things that are orange. Orange fruit. Orange flower. Orange vegetable. Orange bird. Orange fish. Things that are blue. Blue fruit. Blue flower. Blue bird. Blue ocean. Blue fish. Things that are green. Green fruit. Green flower. Green vegetable. Green bird. Green fish. Things that are red. Red fruit. Red flower. Red vegetable. Red bird. Red fish. Things that are yellow. Yellow fruit. Yellow flower. Yellow vegetable. Yellow bird. Yellow fish. Things that are black. Black fruit. Black bear. Black vegetable. Black crow. Black shark. Things that are white. White fruit. White rose. White vegetable. White bird. White cow. Things that are purple. Purple fruit. Purple flower. Purple vegetable. Purple bird. Purple butterfly. Things that are maroon. Maroon fruit. Maroon flower. Maroon vegetable. Maroon bird. Maroon fish. Things that are pink. Pink fruit. Pink flower. Pink dolphin. Pink bird. Pink pig. Things that are sky blue. Sky blue. Sky. Sky blue flower. Sky blue bird. Sky blue butterfly. Sky blue whale. Things that are brown. Brown walnut. Brown chocolate. Brown bear. Brown horse. Brown monkey. Things that are Gray, gray squirrel, gray cat, gray wolf, gray elephant, gray owl.
Now, we will learn the colors with colorful cars. This is blue car. This is green car. This is brown car. This is purple car. This is pink car. This is black car. This is red car. This is yellow car. This is orange car. Now, we will learn colors with colorful stack toys. I play with red stack toy. I play with blue stack toy. I play with green stack toy. I play with yellow stack toy. I play with pink stack toy. I play with orange stack toy.
Now, we will learn rainbow colors. It is called Vibger.
Vibger stands for violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. This is violet. I love violet. This is indigo. I love indigo. This is blue. I love blue. This is green. I love green. This is yellow. I love yellow. This is orange. I love orange. This is red. I love red. So, today, we have learned all the colors. Happy learning!